You need to watch this if you're serious about supercharging your health. These 10 superfoods are game changers. First up, cinnamon. It's more than just a spice. It lowers blood sugar and aids digestion. Next, walnuts. They're packed with omega-3s, great for your heart and brain. Don't forget pomegranate. These juicy gems are loaded with antioxidants that fight heart disease and cancer. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, it's great for digestion and your immune system too. Green leafy veggies like kale and collard greens are vitamin powerhouses. Olive oil, it's rich in healthy fats that keep your heart happy. Whole grains like quinoa and brown rice are fiber champions for your digestive health. Beets are your best friends for lowering blood pressure. Ferulic acid, found in fermented foods and rice bran, is an antioxidant hero. And lastly, ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb helps reduce stress and improve sleep. Remember, these foods work best as part of a balanced diet. Stay healthy, stay happy.